Salim. Hope you will be fine and in the high state of Iman and health. Today I'm very much glad that I was very much disturbed and in a tensive condition last night, and I have got two miracles, and I've got two angels. One is at my right side and one is at my left side. Respected Sardar Wajid Ali, and their hotel is not just a hotel. Their hotel is like a drawing room for the guests, and they not only gave me special care, very intensive care here, that they don't believe me that I'm their customer. They believe that I'm their family member. They believe that I'm their guest, and I have came here very far from, and they hospitality me. Their hospitality management is very good. I'm very extremely grateful to respected Sardar Wajid Ali Sahib. And on the other hand, there was not only waiters for helping us, but their own sons and their nephews were here to help us to maintain our issues, to de-stress us, to decrease our stress. So that was a very good and brilliant phenomena of Eden View Hotel, and I recommend it for international viewers that if you want surrounding for particular hiking, trekking, and for the special areas like you want to see monkeys, you want to see some other animals, some other important forest things. So this is the best option. That is not only a hotel, that's a resort, that is also a very good drawing room for a good and real tourist. Thank you very much.